Good afternoon and welcome to another road trip video, and in this video I'm going to Kidderminster in Worcestershire. So you'll be wondering why I'm going to Kidderminster when I'm still at Thornwick Bay. Well, this follows on from the last Project Bimmer video. I tried to straighten that front panel out. Anyway, after I've made the video, I thought I'll just bite the bullet and I'll just replace that front nose panel, and I'll see if I can find a replacement bumper. Now, I found a replacement nose panel on eBay. It's in exactly the right colour, which is Monteral Blue. That's a German, Monteral Blue. Exact right colour, 25 quid. Yes, it's in Kidderminster. Thought, well, it's worth it. It's worth the cost of the diesel to go pick it up, because I could get another one and then I'd have to spend money on painting it. And the best thing, it comes with kidney grills as well. But I got a load of them. So whatever I don't use, I could always sell on. So get some money back off some stuff I've already bought. Anyway, enough of my waffling. I'm going to hit the road, and if you see how interesting, I'll either pull it off the dash cam footage, or if I'm able to, shoot it. Probably can't if I'm driving. Anyway, time to hit the road. So I made it without any problems. I did see one incident on the M62, near miss between a car and an Arctic. But other than that, the journey was uneventful, and I've just got the part. It's in the exact colour, so that is absolutely perfect. So make the front end looking like the accident's never happened. But this has got these are the facelift grills. So I've got options. I can either keep it original looking or swap them out, and whatever kidney grills I've got left over, they can be sold. Stick them on eBay, get a few quid back. Anyway, I'm going to set off home now. It's about a 2-hour journey from here. Not sure how long it's going to take. Of course, I'm going to run into traffic, because right now it's nearly 5:45. So I need to find my way home from here. And if what happens, you'll know about it. Well, I made it back home. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in the shed, and you'll see this on the next Project Bimmer video. And I said I was looking for a bumper as well, so see what happens. There might be another road trip for that. Right, I'm going to end the video here. I know it's very short. It was a successful road trip. So please remember to like, subscribe, share, ring that notification bell and get notified when one of my videos comes out. Questions and comments, you might put them. As ever, thanks for watching, and I'll see you.